Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's a new video and it's a journaling supply stationery haul. So all of these items are very kindly gifted to me by Journal Say. And talking about Journal Say mainly includes journaling supply stationery, and they do not ask for any shipping on the orders of up $20, and you do not have to pay customs when you order from Journal Say. So mainly I've purchased a lot of journaling supplies. So since I've started journaling, I needed few of them. So I went crazy this time and I got a lots and lots of journaling supplies, especially washi tapes. And it's completely safe to buy from Journal Say, and if you want some discount on your purchase, you guys can even use up my code, which is medvibe004, and this is their business card. You can contact them on their Instagram as well. So firstly, I have purchased these craft papers. So that's how these papers actually looks like. So I've mainly purchased them because they will give you a very good vintage vibe to your bullet journal, and they would be very useful, and they are in total of 30 sheets in this one. So nextly I have purchased these flower stickers. So these flower stickers comes in many different designs, but I went for the white one because I guess white one will go with every bullet journal theme. There are over 40 designs in this pack, and these flower stickers are little transparent, so they look very beautiful under a white page or white background. So nextly I've purchased these kawaii stickers, and there are over 90 plus designs of sticker inside this pack, and that's how they actually looks like. They will look very beautiful in your bullet journal. So nextly I've purchased these zebra mind liners brush pens. So since I love zebra mind liners a lot, so I really want to try out their brush variant, like how they actually are. And this particular pack comes in a set of 5 brush pens, and that's how they actually looks like. They are dual tip, one is brush pen tip and second one is this bullet tip. So one thing that I've observed, that the bullet tip of brush pens is a little thin than the bullet tip of the mind liners, which is great because it will give you more variation. And the tip of these brush pens is not very flexible and at the same time not very hard, so it will give you good thick and thin strokes. So nextly I have purchased these color stickers. I guess I don't know what to actually call them, but I've seen many people on Instagram using these stickers on their bullet journal spreads, and they look so good over there. So that's why I went for this pack, and that's how these ones actually looks like. So nextly I've purchased this grid washi tape. So that's how these washi tapes actually looks like. So there are 7 washi tapes in total, and the quantity of a single washi tape is also quite a lot, and I guess these are very like versatile because you guys can use it in every single spread, especially the white one. So here are the swatches of these washi tapes. I really like these washi tapes because they will actually fill up your bullet journal, and it will again very calm, like it will not pop up a lot. So I really like these, especially the white one. I'm going to be using it a lot in my bullet journal. I truly love these washi tapes. So nextly I've purchased these girly stickers. So there are more than like 175 stickers inside this pack, which is a lot, and that's how these stickers looks like. So I guess these stickers will look very good if you're going for like that girl bullet journal spread. And nextly I've purchased these sticker books. So talking about myself, I'm not very good in drawing, like doodling and painting things, so I use these stickers, like these sticker books, to decorate my bullet journal. So nextly we have this sticker box. So this box have over 100 stickers inside this. So the stickers inside this sticker box are actually non-sticky, so you have to apply glue and to paste them, but the stickers of the sticker books were actually sticky. So that's how they are, and if you're using one sticker for each day, you guys can use this for 100 days, which is definitely worth the money. And the stickers of the sticker box is a little smaller than the stickers of the sticker book, which is fine. And actually there's this another sticker book which is in pink color. So there are over 50 plus designs in one sticker book, and if you're going for like specific color, for example you're going for green color, so you guys can use the green one. If you're going for pink color, so you guys can use the pink one. So since I do not own any washi tape, so I went crazy this time and purchased lots of washi tapes. So this is the first set. So the washi tapes inside this box are in orangish color, and there are over 10 washi tapes inside this box, comparing to the price, because they are very affordable, and that's how they actually looks like. So here are the swatches of these washi tapes. So I guess again you can use these washi tapes if you are going for like orange color bullet journal theme, and they would look very beautiful. So nextly we have one more sticker book. This one is in yellow color and again have 50 plus stickers inside this. So nextly we have the item for which I was most excited. So we have this alphabet bullet journal stamps. So they come in this very vintage wooden box. So if you're going for like a vintage bullet journal theme, I think they will look so good. So they have these lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers, as well as few symbols. Using them is actually a little time consuming process, but at the end it will going to be giving you a very good effect. So I guess it worth the money. So the next thing is super random. So I've purchased this cutter. So it looks so cute on the website, and I have a lot of parcels to unbox in my videos, so that's why I have purchased this to make the unboxing a little more aesthetic. So nextly there are these blue color washi tapes with the geometric designs. So I am a great fan of geometric designs. I really like the things which have like cool geometric designs over them. So the other set of washi tapes is again in this pink and blue colors, and again have geometric designs over it. And they also have this golden design detailing going on, which I really like. So here are the swatches of these washi tapes, and this is my favorite set of washi tapes from this haul. I really like these. So the next item is a washi tape again, which is actually not a washi tape. So this washi tape have these dot stickers over it. Again this comes in variety of different colors, but I went for this pink and blue one. So the next set of washi tapes is this green washi tape. So this one is very similar to the orange one which I showed you earlier. So as this washi tape have the plant designs over it, so I guess you can use it if you are having like plant theme bullet journal spread, and that's how these actually looks like. So that's how the washi tapes actually looks like when you use them in your bullet journal. So nextly I've purchased this set of 60 washi tapes. So this set comes in two variants, one is 60 and second one is 100 washi tape. So I went for 61, and this contains the solid color washi tape. So these are the washi tapes that I use a lot in my bullet journal. Since this set have 60 washi tapes inside this, you guys can easily find the particular color washi tape if you're going for a specific colors bullet journal spread. So nextly I've purchased these pattern stickers again for like scrapbooking in the bullet journal, and that's how they actually look. So now let's unbox the next package, which is again from Journal Say. So the previous items that I've showed you guys were actually sent to me by Journal Say, but these are the items that I've purchased myself. So firstly I have these dot stickers. So basically dot stickers are something that I use the most in my bullet journal spreads, so that's why I have ordered them. So I guess there are more than like 500 stickers in this pack, which is great, and that's how these stickers actually looks like. The one thing that I like about these stickers that they come in different sizes instead of a regular size stickers that we usually get. So nextly I've purchased these two sticker books, one for myself and one for my friend. So that's how these stickers actually looks like, and there are over 50 plus stickers in one pack. So nextly I've purchased these sticker box. So the previous one was in pink color and this one is in purple. So that's how this actually looks like, and one sticker box contain 100 plus stickers, but the thing is that the stickers of the sticker box are actually non-sticky, so you should keep that in mind. And the stickers of the sticker box are actually little smaller than the stickers of the sticker book, but it's fine because you're getting 100 plus stickers inside a sticker box. So nextly I've purchased another sticker box. So the stickers of this sticker box are actually sticky, so I've purchased it in a black color. So actually I'm thinking of doing a black bullet journal theme, so that's why I've purchased this in a black color. But one thing that I've noticed that the stickers are actually repetitive. For example, like one design have two stickers, so basically there are two copies of one design. That's one thing, but otherwise the quality of these stickers is actually really good. And one sticker box contains 80 plus items inside this, and the stickers are not of like a regular square shape. The stickers of this sticker box are in different shapes, as you guys can see. So nextly I've purchased this transparent washi tape having feather designs all over it. So actually I wanted to order the one which have butterfly designs, but by mistake I have purchased this one. But this one is also actually good. So my main idea of purchasing this is that whenever I will do a black bullet journal theme, so this will look very good on the top of the black paper. So yeah, that's why I've purchased this. I know that you guys can not clearly see the design, but that's because it is transparent and it is meant to used on a black paper. So nextly I've purchased these stamping pads. So one is in black color and the other one is in silver. So basically I wanted to buy the other one in white, but I didn't found any white color stamping pad, so I went for the silver one. And these were so inexpensive. I guess the one is less than $1, so which is great. And the quality of these pads is not that bad, again not that good, but still not that bad. According to the price, they are good stamping pads. So that's how they actually works. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this. So next video will be a study vlog, for which you guys are waiting for such a long time. So next video will be a study vlog. So that's it. I will see you guys in a new study vlog very soon. Bye bye.